24 Amazing Health Benefits of Guinea Hen Weed Tea. Hello and welcome to Jada Therapy. This is one of the more powerful herbal teas that is more like having a one-stop medicine cabinet. Great for general health maintenance and wellness. I have also listed below some of the amazing health benefits that you can gain from adding this to your healthy living routine. Warning: avoid taking Guinea hen weed tea if you are pregnant. Can cause miscarriage. 24 Amazing Health Benefits of Guinea Hen Weed Tea. Rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal, antivirus, antimicrobial, antispasmodic properties, cancer-fighting properties, destroys cancer cells, fights infections, treats cold and flus, reduces fever, effective pain reliever, lowers blood sugar, treat arthritis, treats rheumatism, stimulates proper digestion, increases sweating, increases urine production, natural insect repellent, helps to remove toxins in the body, helps to detox the body, helps to treat diabetes, boost immune system. Warning: avoid taking Guinea hen weed tea if you are pregnant. Can cause miscarriage. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and for more information check out the links in the description below.